Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Simple, concise, step-by-step directions for mastery of Progressive Relaxation, Self-Hypnosis, Meditation, Autogenics, Visualization, Refuting Irrational Ideas, Nutrition, Coping Skills Training, Biofeedback, Exercise, Assertiveness, Thought Stopping, Time Management, Breathing, Cue Controlled Relaxation, Quick Relaxers. I am reading this due to my current heath issues, which I am learning that could have and I think honestly were caused by stress. So far I love this book. I am only a couple chapters in, but it gives great detail about the body and mind and how it works together and how stress affects us. There are lots of hand-on things to try and do to be aware and to work on connecting your mind and body to reduce negative stress. I am really enjoying it. I love this book. It inspired me to learn more about breathing, mediation and more. Everyone should read this book. People underestimate the damage stress does to their lives. Such a great book. If you have ever struggled with anxiety, depression, agoraphobia, anger, time management, or other assorted concerns, this book is worth a read. With techniques ranging from refuting irrational ideas to meditation, this book is quite practical and useful. It can be read pretty quickly, but I imagine that one could continue to master the techniques for several years.